Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about all the use cases of the sed command using shell scripting. In first case, we replaced hello with hi in file.txt. In second case, second occurrence of hello is replaced with hi in file.txt. In third case, hello is replaced with hi in file.txt. In fourth case, second occurrence of hello is replaced with hi in file.txt. In fifth case, we comment the hello in file.txt. In sixth case, http is replaced wth www. In file.txt. In seventh case, only replaced lines will be printed. In eighth case, it will duplicate the word present in the file.txt. In ninth case, hi will be inserted after hello text match. In 10th case, we exit from the program. I hope you like this video. If you want to learn Linux, shell scripting, and Python in detail, please check the link in the description box. Thank you for watching this video.